In TeamWave, it's important to make sure that each user has the right level of access to the apps they need. That's why we offer customizable permissions for different user roles. To get started, head over to the User Permission section in your account options. From there, you can access the permission settings page where you can assign permissions to users based on their roles. There are two default options available: Super Admins and Regular Users. Super Admins have access to all the TeamWave apps, including the ability to add more Super Admins and modify billing settings. However, we recommend that you only assign this permission set to those who explicitly require it. For all the other users, you can use one of our customizable permission sets instead. By default, there are Super Admin and Regular User sets available. But if you're on a Pro plan, you can add up to 3 additional user groups, and on a Business plan, you can add up to 10 customizable permission sets. Once you've assigned users to their respective roles, you can customize the permissions you want to give to each group. For example, you might want to restrict certain CRM visibility settings, prevent regular CRM users from exporting or merging sensitive information, but still allow CRM managers to perform these tasks. Similarly, project managers may need to add projects, view user timesheets, and add milestones, while regular project users may not require these permissions. And for HRM functions, you can allocate permissions for things like inviting members, setting up check-ins and time-off policies, and posting to notice boards using APIs based on your team's specific requirements. So there you have it. Customizable permissions in TeamWave makes it easy to manage access for all your users.